Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you all what is a GUI in Python. So let's get started. What is a GUI? GUI is graphical user interface. GUI is graphical user interface that is a visual representation of the communication present to the user for easy interactions with the machine. GUI means graphical user interface. Which module do we need to use it? We need to have tkinter installed. To do that, you need to open terminal, type pip install tkinter. If you want, then you can use any IDE. CMD means command prompt, something like that. Also open your favorite IDE like Atom or Visual Studio Code. So now this is a very small code in front of you. You can just copy this code. So what you have to do is type import tkinter screen equals tkinter dot tk in caps, open bracket and close bracket, window dot title, open bracket, double quotes, GUI, close double quotes, close the bracket, label equals tkinter dot label, open bracket, window comma, text equals, open bracket, hello world, close bracket, dot pack, open bracket and close bracket, screen dot main loop, open and close bracket. So I hope you all understood this code. This is a very small video and it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you all in the next video. Till the time, bye.